Hey guys. Okay, so week 3 out of 4, almost there. Halfway is done and over with. Try to get anything done that you haven't finished yet. So remember, you have a discussion from week 1 and week 2. You have 2 quizzes, week 1, week 2. Okay. I'm going to be posting by Wednesday your quiz for week 3. I'll try to get week 4 also posted. So if you just want to get them done and over with, go right ahead. I'm not doing week 4 lecture until it's time though. Okay, so if you want to read ahead, go right ahead. But it's up to you. I would always encourage wait until lecture to make sure that you have any questions. You can always shoot me an email. Most of you have. If you've had any questions or any problems, it does go to this. Sometimes it takes a little while for me to answer. So, all right, and it looks like someone emailed me. Let's see who it is. And no, has nothing to do with that. Okay, so we're talking about week 3, which handy dandy textbook. Okay, if you've read it, which I hope that you have, it's managing the contacts and personal contact information in Outlook. So what that is if you use Outlook already for your company, more than likely they've already have like this group of contacts. It could be by department, it could be by, who your senior manager is, and underneath you. I know with the school district, we have our contacts, everything's by site. So I teach at Pomalita Middle School, which is in Ukiah, also for science and engineering. And I get like 50 some odd staff members, the teachers only, and then all the paras on top of that. So I can look them up and I'll show you how to do that and import new contacts. I'm not using my school district email because of confidentiality. However, I've linked another one. Okay. All right. So I'm going to minimize this. I'm going to. Okay. I can't minimize that. I will share my screen. Okay. So here we go. Let me move my stuff over to my other screen so I can see everything since I'm working on my laptop and on my desktop right now. Alrighty, look at that. Your bill is ready to view. That's Comcast. Dang, $159. What up? Oh well. You guys know everything costs money. Okay, so ignore that. I'm sorry about that. Masco Education. Let's just kind of take a look at that. All right. So in here, obviously we know this is the ribbon, right, ladies and gentlemen? Okay. There's several different ways to get to your contacts. You can do address book and look it up, or you can always file new entry, new contact. Don't do group of contacts because you don't have a contact yet. Does that make sense? You have to have a contact in order to create a group. You can click OK, and then it pops up. But let's do a different way. So the textbook tells you how to do that later in the chapter. But let's start this way. So you go here. This is mail. This is calendar, right? We've done that. We're all experts at calendar now. Now let's go to here. Okay, you click the little people, and then it changes the ribbon. So take a look at this. You have new contact. You have contact group, new items. So remember, look at that: email, appointment, meeting, contact, task, contact group, or your more items, task request, internet fax, choose forms that you have already uploaded, and then Outlook data file. We have more here, but it's not applicable. So you can do people, business cards, telephone lists, main lists, and then if you take a look down, you can change your views. Okay, so let's just do people. Address book is also there. So first things first, let's add a fictitious contact. Okay, new contact. And this up. All right, in your textbook on page, it says open Outlook 3-1. I'm not going to open that right now. I'm just going to type in his Jackson Thorborg information, and just show you how to create the contact. Okay. So type his full name. So right here, where it says full name, you click it so your cursor's there. I spelled it right? Yeah. Okay. Let's see here. Company, it's Disrupt. Okay. Disrupt. Rockland Code Squad. That sounds interesting. All right. Doesn't say anything for his job title. Let's just say he's a developer. Okay, file as. Okay, and his email. This is really important. If you don't do the email, you're not going to email anyone. So let's see. Jackson dot okay. All right. Got all that info in there. Display as, see how that comes up like that. Okay, cool. Web page. If he has a web page, you can input that IM address into Messenger. Okay, you can put that in there. Business phone number. So this is literally a contact, and it goes into your address book. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll say save and close. See, look at that, Jackson Thorberg. There you go. Now, if you click this, it will automatically pop up as an email. No, I don't want to save. All right, now group. All right. Members, Outlook. Go. And I just did it. He is now Code Squad. Okay, so I can literally, if I had like, let's just say 50 employees in the Code Squad, okay, I can just literally say select all members in Code Squad, and it will attach everything, and then it will send it to them. Does that make sense? So yeah, that's that. If you wanted to send meetings, you can always create meetings. I need to save the contract. Save. There you go. Okay, there you go. So Code Squad, it goes to him. Look at that. Ding, ding, ding. Yay. All right. So that's that. Let me double check. Expanding your worlds, including new ones. Creating your contact list. Copying and pasting. You guys can find this. That's easy. Sorry, it's been a really long day already. As you know, I also teach at the middle school level. And just between you and I've had 8 positive cases between 5 classes in the last week, including today, and like 25 potential. I'm tired. I have had to get tested every day. Still not sick, knock on wood. Okay. All right, so I think that's it, guys. Oh, deleting a contact. So you can click here, you click delete, and then it just deletes it. Same thing with Code Squad. You can just delete it, and then you're back to normal. All right. If you have any questions, I know this was like super short lecture. Well, this week is really easy. Yeah, just shoot me a message and ask me a question if you get stuck. I did post all the files for this week for you. They are already in this week's module. The discussion is not posted yet. I'll work on getting that up and running. So if you guys have any questions, shoot me an email. Please shoot me an email. Don't send it in Canvas because sometimes I don't always get those. Okay. All right. Be safe, everyone. I'll see everyone next week. And if you have any questions, like I said, message me. All right. Talk to you later.